What's up guys, this is TechRover. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing you how you can read the deleted WhatsApp message. So to do this, just follow my video instructions. First of all, I just want to test a message. I just want to send it from my iPhone to my Android device, then I will delete it for everyone. And can I check for that message which is deleted from my iPhone normally from my WhatsApp or not? This is the example here I just want to do on the video. So I deleted for everyone. Once I done, just want to back here on the WhatsApp, and when I check it, you can see there I can just check for the message deleted. So time to fix it. What you're gonna do, just go back here on the Play Store of your Android device. You just need to download an application, and I won't tell you the name of this application. Anti-delete view deleted WhatsApp. So just download this application and make activate it here on your Android device and give allow permission. And once you've done all of this, you don't worry about the deleted WhatsApp message. It will directly save the messages here on this anti-delete application. So let me do it. Let me show you. Once I install and done everything, just get back here on the WhatsApp, and now I'm going to type something, then I will delete the message. Now again here on my iPhone for everyone. So let me do it. I sent the message and I'm going to delete it for everyone from here, and from here just click on this and delete for everyone. And once you gotten the message, you can see just completely erase it from my Android device, but I have a notification from anti-delete. It just show me the message which is deleted here. So let me try one more time here on my iPhone. Now I'm just going to delete it again, but let me do it. After that, I don't want to go to WhatsApp. I will directly check here on this anti-delete application. You can see when I refresh it, it will get the deleted messages here. Save it. So guys, as you can see, it's very cool, but when I check to my main WhatsApp, you can see it's all deleted, but I have the messages. I can read them here on anti-delete application. So it was an amazing way to view the deleted WhatsApp messages. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. Wow.